Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti here and I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is all about this makeup look right here, and this is such a bomb makeup look for like boss ladies, and I think I've created this look first time on my channel. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with the skincare first. For that I'll be using the Innisfree Green Tea Balancing Toner. It is such a lightweight and hydrating toner, so I'm gonna just gently dab it all over my face. And next I'm going to use the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Emulsion. This works as a moisturizer and it is very lightweight. It absorbs very easily into the skin and give you that nice glowy skin. Next, for my primer, I'll be using the Etude House Face Blur Primer. It has SPF 30+, so it works as a sunscreen as well. This primer instantly brightens up your skin and gives you that glowy base. For my foundation, I'm going with the Spore Glow Foundation. You guys also use the LA Girl Pro Conceal Foundation. Both works as a glowing foundation. So this is a full coverage foundation. So I'm gonna apply it with the help of my blending brush. This foundation actually blends super well. It does not show the skin texture. Also, it gives that natural glow to your skin. And मैंने foundation South Korea से लिया था, so it's not available in India. But आप लोग इसकी जगह LA Girl Pro Conceal Illuminating Foundation भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वो भी एक बहुत ही अच्छा glowy foundation है. Now to set this foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm only applying it around my eyes and around my mouth because that's where I get sweaty. For my bronzer, I'm going with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It is in the shade Bronzer, and I'm just lightly shading my forehead and also using it as a contour to contour my cheekbones, my jawlines. To contour my nose, I'm using this dark brown eyeshadow shade. Then I'm going to very lightly blend it with the help of a blending brush. Next, to highlight my nose, I'm going to use a light shade concealer, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of my beauty blender. Next, for my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Kit. Then with the help of this spoolie, I'm going to brush my brow upwards. Next, I'm going to use this wax to fill my brows, and at the same time I'm also drawing my brows with the help of same brush. Then I'm going to use this powder to fill my brows. Next, for my eyeliner, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics matte eyeliner, and I'm going to draw a straight eyeliner, and I draw a half eyeliner, and this is going to be a thick and bold eyeliner because this is going to be a bold look. So this is how I draw my eyeliner. I'm going to draw this straight half eyeliner on my other side as well. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Glitter Single in the shade Toasty, and I'm just going to apply it with the help of my finger. It is a cream eyeshadow, so it will give you that glossy, dripping, wet eyeshadow look. Next, I'm going to apply this dark brown shade on my outer lower lash line just to give that bold eye look. For my blush, I'm going with the new K Beauty blush. The shade is Soft Nude, and the color is super pretty and very pigmented. This color will suit all skin type. I'm just going to apply this blush on my cheekbones in dabbing motion. As the blush is super pigmented, you have to blend it very well. Next, for my highlighter, I'm going with the same eyeshadow and I'm just going to gently dab it on my cheekbones. This will give you that wet bronze look. Then with the help of my flat brush, I'm just going to blend it so there will be no harsh lines. So as you guys can see how super pretty this eyeshadow is looking as a highlighter. Then to highlight my nose and my forehead, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I'm just going to apply it with the help of my blending brush. And I'm using the same highlighter on my cheekbones as well, just to set the eyeshadow which we have just used as a highlighter. For my lipstick, I'm going with the NYX Lip Lingerie Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Exotic. And this is such a beautiful nude brown color. Next, I'm overlining my lips a bit to make them look fuller and bigger for this bold look. You can also use lip liner for that. Next, with the help of this brown shade, I'm going to contour my lips as well. This is how I contour my lips. I do the lower lips and upper lips with very light stroke with the help of a flat brush. So this trick will make your lips look bigger and fuller. To make my lips look glossy, I'm gonna use the Laneige lip mask on top of my lipstick. You can also use a lip gloss for that. Then to set my makeup, I'm using the PAC makeup fixer and I'm going to apply it all over my face. And lastly, I'm going to do my eyelashes. So I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply the L'Oreal Lash Mascara. Now this is another trick which I use to make my eyes look bold and more kind of cat eyes. So I cut this eyelash into half and I apply it at the end of my lash line to give my eyes more kind of cat eye look. And lastly, I'm going to fix my eyeliner once again. To highlight my collarbones, I'm going to apply this Maybelline highlighter. I really love how this makeup look turns out, and this is the complete bold boss lady look. And these are the few pictures which I've edited to show you guys the whole bold look. I shot a small video on my phone as well to show you guys the whole look. Now let me show you guys this makeup look up close. How glossy, wet, bronze look is this, and this is such a bold look. I think I've created this look first time on my channel. And yeah guys, I really love this look. I think this is that look that you guys would want to wear in office parties, or of course in college and school parties as well. You can also wear this makeup look in weddings as well. So yeah guys, if you like this look that I've created, do let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to get your opinion and feedback about this look. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for every new video update. Follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.